Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin NEO. What's the realistic price expectation for NEO in 2023? How high can NEO go before the end of the year? NEO is up 42% in the weekly time frame. On the monthly time frame, NEO is up more than 66%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the NEO US dollar price chart. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the NEO US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at NEO's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at NEO's market cap. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2022 was not a great year for altcoins. Altcoins were dumping to gobbling town. 2022 was the year after the bull run. And after those years, we see huge dumps in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, NEO is up over 66% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week, it's up more than 42%. But if we go on a yearly time frame, NEO is still down 34.7%. If you take a look at other altcoins in the market, they are still down in the yearly time. If you take a look at other altcoins in the market, they are still down on a yearly time frame. The volatility for altcoins take them down to gobbling town in the bear market. We saw major altcoins that had huge bull run in the previous bull market have huge dumps in this bear market. Now, NEO has gone through a bear market before. We have seen NEO dumping to gobbling town after a huge pump in price. In the previous bear market, before NEO started dumping to gobbling town, we saw NEO pumping to higher prices by more than 240,000% in just 458 days. When the bear market came around, NEO was dumping to gobbling town. We saw NEO lose more than 97% of its value. The next bull run came around and NEO started pumping to higher prices. Even though we couldn't set new all-time highs, NEO went to as high as $134 before the end of that bull run. NEO went from as low as $4.2 to as high as $134. And in that time frame, in 420 days, NEO went up by more than 3,200%. Right now, NEO is currently dumping in the second crypto bear market. We have seen NEO go down 95.66%. Guys, there's always a possibility that the bottom is not in for NEO in the bear market. There's always a possibility that NEO can still dump to gobbling town. But before the end of 2023, I'll not be shocked to see NEO pump maybe above $50 before the end of the year. 2023 is shaping up to be a great year of accumulation. 2023 is the year you want to get ready for the next crypto bull run. After the first phase of the bear market where we're dumping to gobbling town, when we find support, we'll now go sideways for maybe a year and a plus before we start another bull run. We saw that happen in the previous bear market after NEO dumped first by 97%. It took NEO around 700 days to continue accumulating before we start pumping to higher prices. There's always a possibility that we're going to see that happen for NEO again. So you want to be prepared, guys. If you're a long-term investor accumulating some NEO right now deep in the crypto bear market, you want to know that in the bear market is where you can get your next 10x, 20x, even your next 100x coin. In the bear market is where smart investors accumulate. In the bear market is where smart investors accumulate, getting ready for the next bull run. So in 2023, even though to be the year of accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run, realistically, we can still see NEO pump to as high as $20. If we continue pumping to higher prices and we don't get rejected at that level, we can still see NEO trading around the $25 region. And best case scenario before the end of 2023, guys, NEO might just pump to as high as $46. And from where we're currently trading right now, for NEO to get to that $46, $47 region, NEO will need to pump more than 243% to the upside. Now, with altcoins, these pumps can happen very, very quickly. But at the same time, let's not expect it to be all up only for NEO in 2023. There's always a possibility that NEO will visit its all-time low. That's around $4.2. The last time we saw NEO around $4.2 was during the COVID sell-off in March of 2020. Right now, in March of 2023, as NEO is pumping to higher prices, if we face rejection at a critical bear market resistance level, we might see NEO work its way back towards that $5.92 level. And if that level doesn't hold, we might be gunning for the previous bear market low around $4.2, $4.3 region. Guys, yes, all coins can pump to higher prices, but in the bear market, you expect those pumps to come, but you don't want to get carried away by those pumps. In the previous bear market, after NEO found its first bottom, we first saw it rally up by more than 250%. A lot of people have been expecting NEO to continue pumping to higher prices, but what happened after that is that we started dumping to Goblin Town. So is history repeating itself right now? NEO has started rallying up to higher prices. NEO is up 144%. If NEO repeat what we saw in the previous bear market, NEO might just rally up above $25. But guys, if NEO starts getting that high, some smart investors will start taking some profits off the table, because in the bear market, even though we're pumping to the upside, ultimately we might see us dumping back to Goblin Town as we get ready for the next crypto bull run. If you're accumulating some NEO right now deep in the crypto bear market like a smart investor, guys, you don't want to go all in. You don't want to get carried away by the pumps we're having on a weekly time frame and also on a monthly time frame. You want to accumulate NEO in the bear market. You want to do that by dollar cost averaging through the bear market. The previous bear market, dollar cost averaging to some NEO with an average price of around $10 would have returned more than a 10x return on your investments. If your average entry in NEO in the previous bear market was around $10 because we're dollar cost averaging, guys, you still got more than a 1,200% pump to the upside. And if you believe we'll see NEO pumping to higher prices, probably to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, dollar cost averaging in this bear market will be the way to go. Because guys, if you go all in right now and we start dumping to Goblin Town, you won't have any capital on the side to accumulate more. At the same time, if you continue pumping to higher prices, you still have some skin in the game because we're dollar cost averaging through the bear market. If you take a look at some details about NEO, in the last 1 year, we've seen it go from as high as $29.53 to as low as $5.98. And realistically, in 2023, we might just see NEO getting to as high as $27. NEO has a market cap of $952 million, a fully diluted market cap of $1.35 billion. Out of a maximum supply of 100 million coins, we have over 70.5 million NEO coins in circulation. NEO is ranked 56 on CoinMarketCap with over 270,000 people having NEO on their watch list. NEO builds itself as a rapidly growing and developing ecosystem that has the goal of becoming the foundation of the next generation of internet, a new economy where digitalized payments, identity, and assets come together. Initially known as Antshares, this project was believed to be the first China first ever blockchain when it was launched in February of 2014. The open source platform subsequently rebranded to NEO 3 years later. And right now in the cryptocurrency market, we are seeing the China coin narrative take shape. We are seeing China coins pumping to higher prices. So maybe, just maybe, NEO will continue running with the China pump narrative. But guys, don't forget, we're deep in the crypto bear market, and realistically, let's not start expecting new all-time highs for NEO in 2023, even though I believe it's possible for us to continue pumping to higher prices, because for NEO to set new all-time highs from where we're currently trading, NEO will have to rally up by more than 900%. While that's possible, NEO has only done that in the bull run. And if you want to enjoy that pump to the upside in the future, you have to accumulate right now deep in the crypto bear market. If you take a look at NEO's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys, if you want to buy some NEO for yourself in the bear market as we get ready for the next bull run, you can find some NEO on Binance, on KuCoin, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, on Wobi Global, on OKX, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. NEO is going to be pumping to higher prices by the end of the next bull run, but you want to pay attention to what NEO is doing against the king of the markets, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin has been pumping in this bear market, but have been stuck below $30,000. Right now, NEO is having a huge rally against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, but let's not get carried away. Since when NEO set new all-time highs against both Bitcoin and Ethereum since January of 2018, NEO has been dumping to Goblin Town. We saw it lose around 97% of its value, but in the previous bull run, we saw a huge pump to the upside. Even though that pump was nothing to write home about, NEO still found a way to outperform Bitcoin by around 500% before we continued dumping to Goblin Town. Why I still believe NEO can still pump to higher prices against Bitcoin, guys, in the bear market, we should expect all coins to dump to Goblin Town. History has shown us that in the bear market, People are always scared, and realistically in 2023 there is going to be a year of accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. There will be a lot of scary moments, but only those who survive this bear market are going to enjoy those huge gains by the end of the next bull run. So realistically, I don't think we'll see NIO setting new all-time highs against Bitcoin in 2023. Best case scenario, we'll see NIO pumping to higher prices to where we're trading by the end of the 2021 bull run, and that will still require NIO to still outperform Bitcoin by more than 320%. If you take a look at NIO's performance against Ethereum, we're seeing similar story since January of 2018. NIO has been dumping to gobbling town against Ethereum. Yes, we've had some pumps to the upside, but ultimately, those pumps has finally led us to one more dump to the downside. And slowly but surely, NIO has been dumping to gobbling town. And if we see another dump to the downside, NIO might just come to test the previous all-time lows, where it was trading on the 17th of March 2017. If you take a look at NIO's market cap, guys, we saw NIO's market cap get above $1 billion in this bear market rally. NIO can still continue pumping in 2023. This is the early part of the year. But guys, if NIO continues pumping to higher prices, we'll still have a lot of resistance waiting for us along the way. If NIO gets to that $1.2 billion level, we might get rejected. But if we continue pumping to higher prices, another resistance awaits us around the $1.5 billion region. By the end of 2023, we can still see NIO get to as high as $2 billion. It's very, very possible NIO go to that $2 billion region in March of 2022. But since March of 2022, NIO has been stuck below $2 billion. And right now, NIO's market cap is less than $1 billion. So how high do you see NIO's market cap going to in 2023? I don't think we'll see NIO market cap setting new all-time highs. The previous all-time high for NIO's market cap was around $12.6 billion, and that happened on 13th of January 2018. In the 2021 bull run, NIO's market cap could only get to as high as $9.47 billion. From where we're currently trading right now, for NIO's market cap to get to new all-time highs, it will have to go up by more than 1,200%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Realistically, how high do you see NIO going in 2023? Do you think it's possible for us to set new all-time highs before the end of the year? If the relief rally is coming to an end for NIO early in 2023 and we start dumping to gobbling town, where do you think the bottom will come in for NIO? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.